Hi guys, we are discussing one problem, quick problem statement. What is the complexity of finding the median of a number? How we can find the median, right? So let me cover the basic jargons that we have. Arithmetic mean, median mode. Arithmetic mean is the sum of the data set divided by the number of the values. Okay. So here you can see that I have data set. So 2 occur 2 times, so including this thing, and divided by 7. So we're getting 4 as a result. That will tell the median, that is the median of this population. Then we have that is mean of the population, right? Now we have median is the value separated.
It's 11 o'clock.
If you have a median separated the value greater or less than value half of the data set, right? So median is the thing which have a middle number or middle element of the distribution. So we have 7 here, so we're looking for 1 2 3 4. Fourth number is our the thing which we can say that is a median. So we need to sort the data and then we can able to find the median. Can we find without sorting median? That is the question. Okay. And mode you can also see there this way that it's a kind of a more frequent value in a data set. That is a mode. Okay. But question lies here how to find how to find median without sorting. Thank you guys. Today question is that how to find median without sorting. Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.